Welcome back to another crochet tutorial with Kimmy's Creations. Enjoy! Today I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet in the back loops, and the single crochet in the front loops only to make this cute little square. So grab your yarn, grab your hook, and let's get started. I'm using Rainbow 88 100% cotton from Hobbii and a size 4mm hook. Any hook and yarn, as long as they match, will work. So, you need to know the slip knot, the chain stitch, and the single crochet. I have tutorials on the chain stitch, the slip knot, and the single crochet, which I will put in the description. So let's chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you're going to do one extra chain for the turning chain. I like to work in these back bumps, so you'll skip this first one and you'll go to the second one. So you put it through, grab the yarn, and you're going to do single crochets straight across. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now you're going to go right into that first one. Make sure you have both loops, both of the V on your hook, and you're going to do the same thing, single crochet across. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. And then you're going, so there's 15. You're going to chain 1, turn, and you're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. We're going to do this for 2 more rows. So you're just going to single crochet just straight across. 2, 3, 4, and you can make this square as big as you want, as small as you want. There's no special stitches, so if you want to have it 20 chains across, you do the 20 chains plus the 1 extra for your turning row or turning chain. And then whatever number you start, so I started with 15, so that's how many stitches I will have in my square. So that's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, turn, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows of single crochets. Now we're going to do single crochet in the back loop. So if you look, you have a V. The closest loop to you is the front loop. The one furthest away from you is the back loop. So we're going to go into that back loop and single crochet. Back loop, single crochet. You're going to do that straight down the row. We're going to do 5 rows of the back loops as well. And that's what back loop single crochet looks like. Now you're going to chain 1, and you're going to turn, and the same thing, you're going to go into the back loop. Just single crochet all the way across. Get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 1 and turn. See, there's 1, and that's 2. Same thing, single crochet. While I'm working on the single crochets, if you are watching and you have any video requests that you would like to know about crocheting, any stitches, any specific patterns, leave a comment and I can possibly look into it and possibly make a video for your requests. So let me know. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please take a minute to hit the subscribe button and follow along, like my video. It's all greatly appreciated. So we just finished that last row, and then we chain 1 and we turn, and we keep going in that back loop only. This is a single crochet in the back loop, and it gives the piece a different look and texture of it. So I'll show you in a second. Just keep going straight across. See, this is down here, that's just single crochets with both loops. And this is single crochet in the back loops. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets, normal crochets. And then there's the first back loops, the second back loop, third and fourth. So we'll do one more row. So chain 1 of the back loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And you chain 1, and now we will work on 5 rows of the front loops. So you go, this is the front loop, so you're going to go into just the front loop and a single crochet. I hope watching my tutorial videos can help you, whether you're getting back into crocheting, whether you're brand new at crocheting. I hope it can help you learn something new, learn a new stitch, anything just to help you out. I absolutely love crocheting. It's one of my biggest passions in my life, besides my kids and my family. I honestly never thought I would still be crocheting today. I am absolutely grateful that I have this opportunity to be able to film these little videos and help other people and possibly inspire other people to be able to create amazing pieces out of yarn and a hook. And so I just want to say thank you to all my supporters, whether it's following me on my social media pages, if you're a past customer, liking, commenting, sharing my videos. It all truly is amazing, and I am so grateful for everybody who has been there for me. So thank you. So that's the back loop. So this is the single crochet, this is the back loops, this is the front loops. So you can see the back loops leaves a ridge, the front loops leaves the stitch on the front. See, like that. Okay, so let's count how many there is. So Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13. So let's do 2 more. So chain 1, go into the front loop, and just single crochet along. So chain 1, turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is single crochet in both loops. This is back loops single crochet, and this is front loop single crochet. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments, and I look forward to tomorrow's video, and yeah, thank you for watching.